In this tutorial, I will show you how to create text portrait effect in Photoshop. Let's start. First, select the Quick Selection tool. Click here and make selection. Now click on Select and Mask. Follow the process. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Select White Color. Choose Text tool and write your text. Press Ctrl T, then adjust image size and position. Press Ctrl R to add roller and adjust on middle of the subject. Choose Rectangular Marquee tool and make a selection like this. Click on Mask icon. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Select Mask and press Ctrl I to invert it. Select the text layer and drag it below the layer. Select the top layer and right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for your support.